Hello everyone, this is InfoComm 2026 and we're here in Las Vegas. My name is Jin Fan, I'm the founder of ClearLED. On my right, we're showcasing our latest Skypanel HQ series. It's one of our best-selling product. It's a 16 by 9 aspect ratio cabinet that we have developed. In this year InfoComm, we're showcasing an application. We're combining two different pixel pitch into one video wall. In the center here is a 0.7 millimeter pixel pitch COB chip on board product, and then around it is a 1.5 same millimeter chip on board product. We're also showing that how this product family can have variations of creating a seamless right corner, and the same product can mix with different pixel pitch, and they are all also able to combine together. Also, this product is a platform that is adaptable for all kind of different LED surface circuit board. We can do flip chip, GOB, chip on board, MIP, and it's all adaptable on the same HQ series product. Also, I wanted to add is that this product is using the common cathode technology, so the temperature is very low and the power consumption is also very low. And for more information, please visit our website. It's www.clearled.com. Thank you.